Hello, my friends. This is Clarice Mertz, the Brazilian one, and today we will be transforming things, recycling. We will transform the this to this, or this to this. So let's see all the options I have here, and then let's see how to do it and what we will need. I'm here in my porch because of my lighting inside is not too good. And this is my 6 ideas of holders. Né? Can be knife holders or pencils holder, anything you want to use too. So here I did this one with just a cardboard, and I put this gold string here that looks so elegant. I think you cannot see it, the light here is not too good, but yes, here, and I will show you how I did it. I think looks very beautiful, very elegant. And this one I put my straws on, and I just put craft paper, this kind of cardboard, and put a star and a heart here. And this black one that I think is very elegant, I put a star and a black string. And this one is, I put a pink paper over here because I put some things like my buttons and, little things that I don't use too much. I don't need to be seen, so I put here. And I use 2 colors of pink here, stringed, and a natural one. And this one just a natural string, and I make like a vase. And this one I use burlap with these flowers in burlap too. So if you don't know how to do these flowers, I teach in the last video, so go here and see it. And you can use this to make a knife holder. And if you didn't see the video of knife holders, just go here and see it. So these are ideas for knife holders or anything you want to keep organized and beautiful. So let's see how to do it. So what we will need to do our project today. Any empty cans that you have, I use a lot of oatmeal, natural strings, any color of ribbons or strings, empty cans, hot glue gun, scissor, cardboard, some burlap or fabric. First, let me tell you how I take this part of my cardboard to me get to this part here. First thing I do, I spray water on it and leave a little bit until it gets soft. And if you have a raining day, you just leave your cardboard in your porch or front door, not in the rain, but just to get the humidity of the air, and this will come out very easily. And then I start to peel. When you peel, you have something like this, but it's have a little bit of the glue left over. So you get a sandpaper, and you go through it. And it will leave you with a very clean cardboard. So this is what I do to me get my cardboards. So you have here your oatmeal container. But if you don't have a oatmeal container and you want to have something big, the one way to do is you can get any size of cans. You cut the bottle of one and you can put together and glue with this kind of tapes, just like this. You glue, then you decorate. Here we have something bigger, taller, and but was little container. So this is a trick that you can use with any size of cans, and then you decorate. Then the first thing you do, you cover the container. So I will cover this little one just to show. If you are to work with paper, you just need to put hot glue gun and we'll be fine. But if you are to work with fabric, you put white glue all over the container and then you glue your fabric. So here I will do with the paper. This is a container that I tried to do something and it worked out, so I'm reusing it. Just put hot glue here, glue the paper, and glue here in the end. So here you have your container covered. So here I have my oatmeal covered. So I cover first with craft paper. Now I get my string and I just go around and make a little knot here. And go around until you see that is all covered the way you want it to look like. And when I get to the end, I will come back to show you how I finish. So I'm here at the end of my container. I choose not to cover all because I think this gave a very rustic look. And now I just will cut here in the end and glue this here with hot glue gun. Just a little bit of hot glue gun somewhere here and the finish is done. One way that will be very cool is to the same way I teach you to do with the cans. Do with 2 containers of oatmeal. You will get a very cool and large vase to put in a corner. Very rustic. If you do with the strings, now it will be very rustic. So this is the one of the all that I show you. Very simple, very rustic look. So let's see the other ones now, how to do it. So this one with a burlap, glue a burlap in a container with white glue, as I say. I did the flowers. And if you don't know how to do this flower, go here that I teach it in this video, okay? And now I will glue this with hot glue here, okay? So here we have the final product with the flowers in burlap. So let's go to the next one. So let me show you how I did this one. I just glue the same way I glue this paper here. I glue the cardboard here and I put the string, colorful string, just the way I strung this one, okay? So the same thing. Here I glue some paper on top here. And this one is to a oatmeal box. And I keep my little things here inside. So the way I did this one with the gold string, I will do in blue because it will be easier for you to see what I'm doing here. I got a piece of cardboard. I got a string, and I put some tape here. and I hold it on place with a tape. And then I just went through each one of these little indent that the paper has. And here in the end, I finish with another tape. I got my container, just wrap it around and glue with a hot glue gun. And it's done. Just one. The same thing. I glue the paper, just I show here. I glue the cardboard. I put some, well, I don't know the name of this, and a heart and a star, and it's done. Very simple, very easy. And the black one that I think is so elegant. The same thing. I glue the paper, put some strength, and I put a star, a black star with a corner, with a longer corner here to make a little bit different and more cool. And that's it. You know, it's all done. Very simple. This was the project for today. It was a lot, and I hope you like it, one of them at least. And see you next Thursday. Next Thursday, I will be teaching you how to decorate some clay pots with fabric and painting and rocks. It's fall, time to bring our plants inside, so you have beautiful pots to put our plants inside of the house. See you next Thursday. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.